Welcome back to DoorKing Tech Tips. Today we will be restoring a backup database to our Access Plus Account Manager software. Let's get started by opening the software. As you can see, this is a fresh install of the Access Plus Account Manager software with the example account. Today we will be restoring our backup of the software, which was done in a previous video. So check that out and other videos at doorking.com/tech-tip-videos. To start the restore process, go to File in the top menu bar, then click on the Restore Database. You should now get a file browser to browse for your backup file. The default backup is called DKS 1812_copy. So this is the backup I will be restoring today. After selecting your backup file, click Open. There will be a warning pop-up indicating your existing data will be overwritten. Click Yes to continue with the restore. The next pop-up is indicating that the software must close and restart. Go ahead and click OK to continue. Congratulations! With the Access Plus Account Manager software now open, you should see your restored account database. You have successfully restored your software, and we'll see you next time for more DoorKing Tech Tips.